deep area of low pressure will continue to bring unusually windy weather for July during the course of this weekend. Heavy showers, thundery downpours and temperatures a little below par. More detail for you through the morning.
Beautiful seascape behind you, but some rather choppy looking waves.
Yes, the combination, isn't it there, Sarah? Hello to you both and good morning. We are in for some really unseasonable weather this weekend. I mean, it was with us yesterday. We had a month's worth of rain in some places, nearly 90 millimetres of rain. And although we haven't got the persistent rain today, we've got warnings out widely in Northern Ireland, Northern England, Scotland for thundery downpours. And then there's the unseasonably windy weather. It's been really windy in the southwest and now that's spreading. These tightly packed isobars, the lines packing together in the south, indicative of those strong winds. We've also got the remnants of yesterday's rain across the north of Scotland. It's going to slowly slowly move northwards, lingering in the Northern Isles, and then lots of heavy showers are following behind. So let's cover the winds, because this is more typical of autumn than July, midsummer. 40 to 55 miles an hour could cause some disruption, so bringing down branches, small weak trees, because of course they're in full leaf. And then we've got the rain that's moving into the Northern Isles. Brisker winds here today as well, so very different day to yesterday. But elsewhere, some really intense downpours with thunder, with hail and squally winds. So they'll move through quite quickly on the winds, strong winds in the south, but near the centre of the low pressure, Northern Ireland, parts of southern Scotland, Northern England, up through much of Scotland actually, they'll linger a while, and it's not going to be warm at 18 to 22, particularly when you add in the breeze. But actually there's some lovely sunshine out there as well at the moment in between the showers. So more sunshine than we saw yesterday. The showers just keep coming through this evening and overnight because that low pressure sat across us. So it's a really unstable atmosphere with us at the moment, which is why we're seeing the amount of showers we are, and similarly so tomorrow. But the subtle changes are the low pressure moves to the north. So instead we have the strongest winds across Scotland and Northern Ireland, and chilly winds as well. It's a northwesterly, still quite windy further south, but probably not as windy as today, and actually probably fewer showers, but still it's a showery picture, and there'll still be some downpours with some hail and thunder, but notably in the north again, because we're around that area or closer to that centre of low pressure. Just 14 though, with that northwesterly wind coming onshore into the Western Isles tomorrow. 20, 21 in sheltered spots with some sunshine. And there should be a little bit of sunshine at Wimbledon both today and tomorrow, and into next week. Sunny spells and showers again, another area of low pressure midweek. But it does look really unsettled at the moment. This is how the city forecasts are looking. With a little bit more sunshine and fewer heavy showers, we might creep into the low 20s, back to average in the south, but we're not going to tap into that heat that we're seeing, that intense heat, another wave of which is going to encompass many parts of Iberia, southern and western parts of Europe into next week. It's relentless, really. Temperatures by night barely dipping below 30 degrees Celsius. Charlie and Sarah.
Thanks, Helen. Sorry, I'm just looking at all those sunshine.
Weary, thank you.
I know. I'm just looking at all those sunshines. I know it's been really extreme temperatures and all the rest of it, but I do wish the UK was a wee tiny bit warmer. I'll just say that and leave it there.
OK, we'll try for you for into August, hopefully.
Thanks, Helen. Do you think